Hey, welcome back guys, and thank you so much for being here today. I hope you guys all making money from my recommend stock. If you missed the boat again, don't worry. I make video like this every single day breaking down potential stock that has great upside potential over the next 12 months, and I will also provide my suggestion entry price to get in. Please remember, I am not an financial advisor, so always remember to do your own research and due diligence before making any investment decision. Just before we get into our details today, this is just your friendly reminder that if you like making money, please make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash the like button as it can help my channel grow faster because let's be honest guys, who doesn't like making money? So in today's video, I'm going to talk about Desktop Metal, ticker DM. This company make metal and carbon fiber 3D printing accessible to all engineers, designers, and manufacturers. This company was set to go public via SPAC on December last year, and one of the well-known investor Chapman, who helped lead a $275 million investment into it, in which he called it Desktop Metal, the leader in manufacturing 2.0. In my opinion, this stock can be a long-term hold, and my suggestion entry price will be anywhere in between $29.50 to $31. Now let's take a look of this company overview. On January 15, Desktop Metal to acquire efficient tech entering market for volume productions monomer additive manufacturing, which is a very good sign for Desktop Metal in particular. This agreement acquire an efficient tech, a leader global provider of volume production photopolymer 3D printing solution for end use pack with total consideration of $300 million, and the transaction is expected to be closed in the first quarter of 2021. On February 12, one article stated that Desktop Metal is 8 times potential. When it comes to 3D printing, leader Desktop Metal is all about the fourth industrial revolutions. In fact, this industrial seismic shift happen only once a century, and it will put factory and manufacturing plants across the world to change its way of operation, and this new field will unlock significant economic volume in the future. And Desktop Metal, as the fourth industrial revolution, will swipe across the global over the next years, and it will become the biggest market winner in the future. Desktop Metal also selected the blender jetting method for their production system. This is over 100 times than that of a laser-based system, and it will bring down the cost significantly. In addition to that, DM also had coverage across 60 plus countries across the world. This graphic over here also showed how much potential DM can be. I also find that ARK print ETF now have approximately 110 million shares, and it weighs about 4.78 amount is 3D printing investment. Thank you for watching guys. Please remember to hit the subscribe button, and also feel free to leave your comments down below about whether you already have DM positions or planning to buy later. We will see you tomorrow again. Thank you for watching.